All right, this is to help with the bobThere CodingBat question. And we want to basically, you're not really looking for Bob because if you were, you could just do dot contains or index of to figure it out. But you really want to see if there's the letter B and then two down from that is also a B, right? So just to kind of help you understand that, basically we're going to check an index position and then two down from that. And if they're both B, then we're going to return true. All right, so here's one example where we would check position 3 to 4 would get you this B, and then 5 to 6 would give you that B. And just to help make sense of this, you want to go from a position like I, so say that was the first one, right? Then you'd go two down. So if we did the A and the C here, A would be 0 to 1, and then the C would be 2 to 3. Okay, and then the really tricky part is we want to do this generically then. So if we have an index I, this first substring would be I to I plus 1. That would give you the first letter. And then this one, based on these numbers, this 5 looks like it is 2 more than I, right? Or this 2 is 2 more than the 0. So this would be I plus 2. And then this one would just be 3 more than where we started. So this one would be I plus 3. Right, so that will get us the two letters, and then if they're both Bob, we want to return true. And then the only thing is, normally we would loop, I would loop from 0 to less than the length 5, but I think we want to do length minus 2 here. So in this case, that would be, our length would be 7, and if we did length minus 2, no, our length would be 6, and if we did length minus 2, then we would be less than 4. So if we did less than length minus 2, we would just get 0, 1, 2, 3, because we don't want to check the O and the B, because that would give us an out of bounds. There's no letter 2 down from this O. Right, so we're going to do, instead of our normal one, we're going to do length minus 2 in our loop. Okay, and then these are the two substring calls we're going to use. All right, so now we just got to code it up now that we have a good plan. So basically, I'm going to do for int I 0, I is less than str.length minus 2 plus I, right? Because we don't want to run over the end of this. And then I'm going to do string like letter 1 equals str.substring. It's just I to I plus 1, much as we sketched out before. And then the second letter we're going to check is 2 down from that, so that's going to be str.substring I plus 2 to I plus 3. And that's what we kind of sketched out over here. All right, and then if they're both Bob, so if, let's see, letter, not Bob, if they're both B, letter 1 dot equals B, and letter 2 dot equals a B, so they're both B, then we want to return true, and this will keep going through each pair of letters in our loop, right, until we hit the end, and then if we don't find a match, or don't find two B's, then we return false. Okay, that should be it. Let me know if you need any more help than that.